This video will show you how to replace the Nano SIM card tray inside your ThinkPad. The process in this video will work for the X1 Carbon Gen 9 and Gen 10. You'll need a paper clip and 5 minutes of your time. Caution: to avoid damaging your device with electrostatic discharge, work on a hard, flat surface. Use an anti-static wrist strap and mat, or discharge static by touching a grounded piece of metal. Use a paper clip to pop out the SIM card tray. Remove the tray from the slot. Insert the SIM card tray into the slot and press to secure. To learn more about your device, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.